Hello students. Now let us do one more question from straight lines. So pause the video and you can read the question. Now that you have read the question, so we are given 2 points A and B. Okay, and we need to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. So what are the qualities of a perpendicular bisector? The first is that if we join this line AB, if we join these 2 points AB and draw this line, so the perpendicular bisector is first of all perpendicular to this line AB and it passes through the midpoint of AB. So these are the two qualities of a perpendicular bisector, right? So let us use both the things to find out the equation of this perpendicular. So first thing, by using midpoint formula, let us find the coordinates of this point O. So the x coordinate would be uh, x1 plus x2 upon 2. What is our x1? It is 4 and x2 is minus 2, right? Upon 2. That is 2 upon 2, that is 1. So the x coordinate of this point O is 1. And similarly, what would be the y coordinate? y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is minus 3 plus 7 upon 2. 4 upon 2, that is 2. So the y coordinate is 2. So now we have the coordinates of this point O. Now let us find the slope of this line AB. Let's call this M1 or the slope of AB, right? So this would be, what is the formula for the slope? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So what do we get? Let us take randomly any point. So let's call this BB x1 y1 and AB x2 y2. Okay. So let us insert the values. What do we get? So minus 3 minus 7 upon 4 minus of minus 2. So what do we have here? Minus 10 upon 6. That is minus 5 upon 3. What is the quality of perpendicular lines? That the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. So if m1 is equal to minus 5 by 3, what is m2? Putting up in this formula, we get m2 is equal to 3 upon 5. So here, for this perpendicular line, let's call this L1. So the slope of this line L1 is 3 by 5 and it obviously passes through this point 1 comma 2. So we can use this equation y is equal to mx plus c and put m as 3 upon 5, right? And to find the value of c, we can plot the points 1 comma 2 here. So if we put y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1, we can find the value of c. So what do we get? 2 minus 3 upon 5 is equal to c. Let us take the LCM. 10 minus 3 upon 5, that is 7 upon 5 is equal to c. Now let us insert this value of c, insert this value of m in this equation, and then we can find the equation of the line L1. So what do we have? Y is equal to 3 upon 5 into x plus 7 upon 5. And we can take the LCM on the right hand side and cross multiply. We get 5y is equal to 3x plus 7. Or in general form, we get 3x minus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. So that is how we can find the equation of the perpendicular bisector.